Ever found yourself staring at your phone, a gnawing suspicion that your GrabPay balance is mysteriously dwindling? Or maybe you're a newbie to the GrabPay world, eager to dive in but unsure where to start. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're demystifying the art of checking your GrabPay balance. It's simpler than you think, but there are a few tricks up its sleeve. Let's get real for a second. Checking your GrabPay balance shouldn't feel like cracking a secret code. It's your money, after all. But with technology being what it is, there's always a curveball. So, grab your phone, get comfy, and let's get started. Method 1. The classic Grab app. This is the most straightforward way. It's like checking your wallet, but digital. Open your Grab app. Now, take a deep breath. You're almost there. Look for the icon that resembles a wallet or purse. It's usually at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Voila! Your GrabPay balance should be staring right back at you. Clear, concise, and classic. But wait, there's more. The Grab app is a treasure trove of information. While you're there, explore. See those recent transactions? That's your spending history. Maybe you splurged on that bubble tea a little too much. Or perhaps you've been a good little spender and deserve a pat on the back. Method 2. The GrabPay card. If you're feeling fancy and have a GrabPay card, this method is for you. It's like having a secret weapon in your wallet. To check your balance, look for the number on the back of your card. It's usually a long string of numbers. Got it? Good. Now, you can use this number to check your balance online or through the GrabPay website. But here's the kicker, not all GrabPay cards have this number. Some are linked to your Grab account, and you'll need to use the app to check your balance. So, don't panic if you can't find that magical number. Method 3. The GrabPay website. If you're more of a desktop person, the GrabPay website is your go-to. It's like having a financial dashboard right on your computer. Log into your Grab account. Once you're in, look for the GrabPay section. It should be pretty obvious. Click on it, and there it is, your precious balance. Bonus tip, notifications. Want to stay on top of your spending? Turn on GrabPay notifications. It's like having a personal finance assistant. Every time you spend, you'll get a little nudge. No more surprises when the month ends. All right, we've covered the basics. Checking your GrabPay balance shouldn't be a mystery anymore. It's about empowering yourself. Knowing where your money is going is the first step to financial freedom. Or at least to avoiding that awkward moment when you try to pay for your coffee and your card declines. Remember, technology is great, but it can also be tricky. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Grab support. They're there to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.